Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. Do you guys remember this Weekender zipper tote? Well, today we're going to be doing the mini. So if you remember last year I made this Weekender zipper tote. It's adorable. This is using Pam Kitty Morning fabrics. This one is really good size. It's about 8 inches wide by 14 inches long by about almost 13 inches tall. So this is the perfect kind of duffel weekend overnight size bag. And a lot of you had requested that we do a mini version. So the mini is about half the size of the original. So this one finishes at about 5 inches wide by 13 inches long by about 9.5 inches tall. It features all the same things. So there's a pocket on the front and back. There's also these side pockets. Now the only thing different I did on this one was I didn't fold the side pockets down. And the other one, I just folded this over to make kind of a cute little accent on the side pocket. But I felt like this one was small enough that I didn't want that extra bulk right there. But you could definitely do that. And then I added the over shoulder strap to this one as well. So you can add that, or it's kind of optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. But of course, the purse straps are there. There's a little pocket on the inside of this one. And just because I wanted them to kind of match, I went ahead and used the same fabric. So if you didn't see the original, this fabric is fabric I've had in my stash for a while. So this lovely floral print is from Pam Kitty Morning, and it's probably out of, I know it's out of print now, so I don't know if you can get it. You could try looking on Etsy, but this print I've had for years, and I don't think she designs fabric anymore, which is a shame because this was so cute. And then the side pockets are from that same line, and the front pockets as well. And then on the bottom here, I used a Lori Holt gingham print. And then just like the big bag, I used the ribbons that tie my fat quarter bundles together from Moda right here as just an accent strip. It's really cute and it hides some raw edges when assembling this bag. But you could use any ribbon that you wanted. And then I just wanted to point out the hardware on this one. So on the original bag, I used a gold hardware. This one is actually a rose gold and it's so cute. This is from Sally Tomato. And then here is the little, what do you call that, slider thingy? I don't know what it's called. And then here's the hardware on the other side. Isn't that so cute? I love the rose gold. So the other bag featured gold hardware. And then this one I thought I would use the rose gold on so you could see both. Sally Tomato has the coolest bag hardware. She's also got, I think, like rivets and snaps and things like that. And she has gold, rose gold, silver, like that kind of brushed silver color. She has all kinds of different colors in her shop and it's really cool. And she has really good quality too. These are nice heavy duty hardware and it won't break on you. So that's nice. And of course you can make it in any fabric you like. You don't have to make it quite so girly, but I just wanted mine to match my other bag. And then this hardware is of course adjustable and it's removable. So it just has that little claw clip on there or whatever you call them, lobster clips. I think it's a claw, I don't know. Anyways, it just comes off. So if you don't want to use that crossbody strap, you don't have to, but it's there if you want it. So I think that is a really fun addition as well. So I'm not gonna be doing a video tutorial for this today like I normally would because the assembly is identical to the full-size version. It's just been resized into this adorable little mini version. So the cutting instructions are completely different, so you're definitely going to want to get the pattern for this smaller version, and then you can just watch the video for the original version for assembly instructions. Of course, my patterns also come with full step-by-step written instructions plus graphic illustrations to help you along the way, so it's really easy to put together, but I think the video will really help you, and I did the exact same assembly method, so everything is identical as the original. You just end up with this adorable mini version when you're done. So this is going to be my Quilty Weekender Zipper Tote Mini, and I will put a link on where you can get the pattern below. And thank you to those of you who requested the smaller version. This has been the most fun little bag to make, and I think it just turned out darling. You could definitely use it for a ton of different things. It doesn't have to just be like a child's bag. It was requested to do a child size version, but I think this would be the perfect companion to the full size Weekender tote. If you were, say, going to like a retreat or traveling, you can use the full size tote for all of your like main clothes and things like that. And then you can use this as a little take along carry on bag or purse. And then of course you can use the retro train case as well for all of your makeup and goodies. So lots of uses for this fun little bag and I absolutely love it. It's so darling. I hope you guys love it too. Don't forget, I'll put put a link in the description box below on where you can get it, or you can check my store for Quilty Weekender Zipper Tote Mini. Thanks so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you enjoy this project. Thanks for sewing along with me, and I will see you next time.